In this video, you'll learn how to use the Arizona Corporation Commission's online ecorp system to change the address of an Arizona LLC or to change the address of a member or manager of an Arizona LLC. Hi, I'm Richard Keyt, an Arizona LLC attorney who has formed more than 6,100 Arizona LLCs. My law firm is KEYTLaw LLC. As of September 22nd, 2018, I have 112 five-star reviews on Google, Facebook, and BirdEye because people love my LLC formation services, and I'm cheaper than document preparers and other lawyers for similar LLC formation services. To learn more about me and my law firm, go to www.KEYTLaw.com. I've created a series of instructional videos that demonstrate how to use the Arizona Corporation Commission's website to search company names, complete forms, and use the ACC's ecorp services and online filing system. Do me a favor, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to get notice of new videos, and leave comments and questions below. Now go to your browser and in the URL area type https://ecorp.azcc.gov and then hit the enter button or the return key. If you have not yet registered and created an account with the Arizona Corporation Commission, then I suggest you watch my instructional video on how to register. A hot link to this instructional video is in the Show More area below this video. After you enter your email address and password, then click on the Sign In icon. You're now on the My Dashboard page. Near the top you'll see a menu that lists My Dashboard, Online Services, My Entities, My Profile, and Entity Search. Once you're on your dashboard page, go to the top where the menu item says Online Services and click on Online Services. Next, go down in the blue box and select Change Address or Statutory Agent. Click on that. Put your cursor in the field that says Entity Name and then type in the name of the company that you want to change an address on. Then click on the search button. After you click on the search button, look for the company that you want to change an address, and then in the left column that says Select at the top, click on the radio button to select the company you want to change an address for. Next, click on the Next button. Now, move your cursor to the text that says Change LLC Address or Statutory Agent in the red box, and then click on that. Now put your cursor in the entity email address field and type in the email address that you want to associate with this particular LLC. There's two items I want you to note on this page. First is where it says entity email address. If you put an email address in there and then click on the Next button, you're going to get a message that says, by providing an entity email address, the entity consents to receive official notices from the ACC by email to that email address. And then you have to either agree or cancel. So if you're wanting to get future emails sent to that email address, then click on the Agree button. Now the other item I want you to note is, see the bottom line here? It says, I am the statutory agent for this entity, changing only the statutory agent address, yes or no. So if you are the statutory agent and you're only changing the address of the statutory agent, then select the Yes radio button and then answer yes or no, have you given notice to the entity. And if you're not the statutory agent changing the address, then select the No radio button here and then click on the Next button. Next, you're taken to a page where you can update the address of the statutory agent. So I did update the address, and now I'm going to click on the Next button. Next, I'm taken to a page where you can update the known place of business of the company. So enter the information for the newest address and then click on the Next button. I'm now on step 4, the Upload Document page. But I don't have a document. There's no need for me to upload a document because I'm not changing the statutory agent. So I can skip this page and click on the Next button on the bottom right. Now you're on step 5, the signature page. Notice the statement that says, by entering my name, I intend to affix my electronic signature acknowledging that this electronic document is submitted in compliance with Arizona law. I certify that the information on the electronic document is true, complete, and accurate as of the date the electronic filing is submitted. And then you have to check the I agree box. Then enter your name below where in the block where it says signature, and then if you have a title, select your title over on the right, and then click on the Next button. Warning, Arizona Revised Statute Section 29613A provides that any person who signs any article, statement, report, application, or other document filed with the Arizona Corporation Commission that's known to the person as false in any material respect is guilty of a Class 4 felony. Arizona Revised Statute Section 29858 also provides that anybody who files a document with the Corporation Commission knowing it to be false is liable in civil damages to the LLC and to its members. Now you're taken to a page on step number 6, which is the review page, where you can review all the information that you'd entered, and if you do want to change anything, you can click on the back button on the bottom left of the screen. Now if everything looks good, then click on the bottom right where it says Go to Payment Details. Now you're on the payment detail page. Scroll down and you have two options. It's either a $5 fee or a $40 fee. If you want your change to be reviewed and approved by the Corporation Commission in the shortest period of time, then select the Expedite Radio button and they'll charge you a $40 fee instead of a $5 fee, but your change will be approved in approximately 1 month as opposed to 2 months if you only pay the $5 fee. Now click on the Add to Shopping Cart on the bottom right, and now you can click on the Checkout button and then click on the Go to Payment button. And now you get the confirmation page and you have to agree to the information set forth here, so click on the I agree button. Now you're going to be taken to a page where you enter your credit card information and then click on the Pay button, and after that, once the payment goes through, you are done. If you need to form an Arizona LLC, consider hiring us. We have 3 packages: the bronze, the silver, and the gold. And the gold LLC is for people that want to keep their name and address off the public record. Compare the contents of our 3 packages and prices. And then if you want to find out more about LLCs or have questions, call myself or my son Ricky. He's an LLC attorney. We don't charge to answer questions about LLCs. And you can also get started by completing our online LLC formation agreement at the URL shown on your screen. I've created several websites to help people learn about Arizona LLCs and California LLCs and Arizona nonprofit corporations. So if you want to learn more about any of these subjects, go to the appropriate website that's displayed on your screen. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with your friends and hit the like button below, and be sure to subscribe because we make new informational videos every week. If you have any questions or would like a video on a topic, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.